Hello students, welcome back class 12. Today I am discussing our IP project output examples. Okay, because project is our important part, so I am showing the output of different kind of project with coding. Okay, so it will very beneficial you to create such kind of project. So today I am discussing the project is bus ticket booking system. Okay, so bus ticket booking system, so this project we can use with the help of Python and MySQL coding. Okay, so you can see, okay, so you can see this is our project. Okay, I want to increase the font size. Okay, so you can see this is our project. Okay, so this project is bus ticket booking system. Okay, I want to run this program, file run module. Okay students, so this bus ticket project will start with the help of username and password. So username and password first to provide, then the software will run, otherwise this software will not run. Okay students, now next thing is the bus ticket booking system. You can see, so this is our project. Here I have created 10 different kind of menus. First menu is to create bus database and bus details table and passenger table, because in MySQL we must create bus database, then two type of table we must use, bus details and passenger table. Okay, so to add a new bus detail, to book a new ticket, to cancel a ticket, to show all the bus details, to show all the details of bus ticket booking, to show all the details of cancel bus tickets, to search bus details by name, to search passenger details by name, and you can exit. Okay, so you can see this is your bus ticket booking system. Okay, so because this program already created bus database and bus detail and passenger table. Okay, so when you press 2, here I am using 2 option to add a new bus detail. Okay, so here I am using bus ID 101. Our new bus name is Gujarat Travels. Okay, Gujarat Travels. City from, here I am using suppose Dwarka to Mithapur. Okay, so Gujarat Travels start from Dwarka and stop to Mithapur, and the journey will start. Here I am mentioning the time 9 o'clock. Okay, 9 a.m. Okay, and you can see the stopping time here I am mentioning. Okay, this is our daily service we can imagine. Okay, total number of seat here I mentioned 60. Okay, the price I am deciding 40 rupees. Okay, so this kind of daily service. So you can see, this is our output. Okay, in this output you can see bus ID 101, bus name Gujarat Travels from Dwarka Mithapur, and time you can see. Okay, here I am pressing enter. Okay, now next thing is I want to add a new bus detail again. Okay, so here I am using 102. Next bus name is suppose Rajasthan. Okay, Travels. City you can imagine, suppose here we can imagine Ajmer to Jaipur. Starting time here I mention 8:30 am and evening we can imagine 8:30 am. Okay, so you can see total number of seat we can imagine, suppose 50. The price here I am deciding 450. Okay, so you can see here you can see our another bus service is Rajasthan Travels from Ajmer to Jaipur. Starting time, and in this bus 50 seats available and one ticket price is 450. Okay students, now next thing is to book a new ticket. Okay, so here I am using the option third. Okay, so enter the date of journey. So today here I mention the date. Okay, so this is our date. Here I am using the bus ID. So our bus ID is, suppose I want to use 101. Seat number I want to book, suppose 10. Okay, yes, it will check the required seat is available or not. So in bus ID 101, yes, so the seat number 10 is available. So enter passenger ID 201, passenger name we can use Pritam. Okay, mobile number of Pritam here I am inputting. Okay, so you can see. So you can see here the passenger ID 201, passenger name Pritam, mobile number, date of journey, bus ID, and seat number you can see 10 and confirmed. And bus detail is in Gujarat travel from Dwarka to Mithapur. Okay, so from bus will start 9 and total seat. Okay, and price you can see 40 rupees. So thanks for booking. Okay student, so I want to book another ticket, suppose 3. Here I am using the bus journey. Suppose here I am using in advance, suppose 3rd. Okay, here I am using bus ID 102. Seat number here I am using 45. Yes, it is available. Here I am using the new passenger ID 202. Name suppose Akash. Mobile number of Akash you can see. Okay, so you can see another person 202 Akash and mobile number, or you can see seat number 45 confirmed. Okay, so you can see the book detail. Rajasthan travel from Ajmer to Jaipur. He will go, and the time and the price 450. Okay students, so you can see here I am booking one ticket, and here it will display the passenger detail with bus detail. Okay, so you can see this is ticket. Suppose you want to cancel a ticket. Suppose you want to cancel a ticket. Okay, so you can cancel a ticket also. Suppose here I am using 4. So enter the passenger ID. Here I am using 202. So you can see. So last 202 Akash. So here you can see cancelled, because status is cancelled, because here ticket will cancelled. Okay, ticket have cancelled, you can see. So this 102 and seat number 45 in this date will empty. Okay students, so you can think. Okay students, now suppose to show all the bus detail, when you press 5, so it will display all the bus details. You can see bus ID 101, Gujarat Travels from Dwarka to Mithapur, timing this and stop, and total 660, and one ticket price is 40. The second is 102 Rajasthan and Ajmer and Jaipur, you can see. Okay, here I may reduce the font size, so you can see easily all the data. Okay. Okay students, so now you can clearly see everything. So 102 Rajasthan, Ajmer, Jaipur. Okay, so this kind of data you can see. So total number of our bus services and timing with price. Suppose to show all the detail of passenger bus ticket booking. So you can see here 2 persons, Pritam, date of journey, bus ID is 101, seat number and confirmed. But 202 Akash, Okay, here you can see seat number, but ticket is already cancelled. Okay, but ticket is already cancelled because we already cancelled the ticket. Okay, students, now you can see to show the details of cancelled. Okay, so cancelled bus ticket you can see. So here only one ticket was cancelled, 202 Akash. You can see the detail of cancelled bus ticket. Okay, students, now here 8th option is to search bus details by name. So here I am using option 8. Okay, suppose I want to press G. So all the starting G, so you can see Gujarat Travels, you can easily find. Okay, with the bus name. Okay, students, now the option 9 is to search passenger detail by name. Okay, so here I am using Pritam P. So it will display the Pritam and details of complete and status you can see confirmed. Okay, students, now here I am pressing the option 10. So you can see the project will stop. So you can see this is a project of bus ticket booking system. Okay, so here you can see for this project you can see this type of file I already created. Okay, you can see this is our project start. Okay, and this is our create. Create is used to create bus table and bus database and bus table and passenger table, book ticket, bus insert, cancel ticket program, cancel ticket details, project start, search bus by name, search passenger by name, and show bus book details and show bus details. Okay, so this is an example of real life situation. So in this project here I am discuss about bus ticket management system. Okay, so next time I will give you so here I am showing the coding one by one. So here you can see first project start. Okay, so you can see this is our coding. I want to increase the font size. Okay, so you can easily see. So you can see that there are different kind of module I have created. Okay, and this is our menu. Okay, this is our login program, you can see, and this is our menu you already seen. Okay, and here I am using if else and to access particular operation one by one. Okay, so this kind of operation. Now here I am showing that another module create. So in this create you can see in this create program I already created database bus, login table, bus detail table and passenger table you can see. Okay, this is a program of create. Now next program is bus insert, to insert a new bus detail. So this is a program. Okay, so in this program we can input the data of new bus details. Okay, you can see this is a module. Now next thing is you can see book ticket. Suppose you want to book a ticket. Okay, so this is the coding of to add a new book, to book a new seat. Okay, so for this purpose this is our program. You can see this is the coding of this the new bus ticket program. The now next thing is to cancel ticket. Suppose you want to cancel a ticket. So this is the program for cancellation a ticket. You can see. Okay, this is program to cancel a ticket. This is the coding of cancel the ticket. Suppose you want to show the details. Okay, so you can see the this thing is to cancel ticket. Okay, this program is to cancel a ticket. Okay, this program belong to cancel a ticket, and this program to show the details of all cancellation details. Okay, in this project to show the all details of cancellation process. Okay, now search by passenger name. Okay, so this is the coding of search by passenger name. You can see. So bus book details. Okay, so you can see all the booked bus ticket details. You can see. Okay, book detail you can see. So you can see in this project only these 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 Python programs. Here I am using only 10 programs, and with the help of 10 programs you already seen the output of the programs. Okay students, so this is a project of project output and sample coding of bus ticket booking management system. Okay students, thank you so much.